Hey guys, welcome to my first commentary about my bike. Yeah, it's dirty as hell, but so don't judge me. I will wash it later and clean it later. So this is my 2022 Suzuki Hayabusa GSX-R 1300 RRQ M2. The color is Glass Sparkle Black and Candy Burnt Gold. And yeah, there's a little presentation and walk around to tell you guys what I changed on this bike. And without further ado, let's get started. I have the tank pad Hayabusa Style, and you can see it, the clear ones on the side, OEM Suzuki. Carbon fiber heel guards, heel protectors with a little tiny Suzuki emblem from FF Carbon. Oil filler cap from Evotech. Exhaust hangers from R&G and Raximo Paddock stand Bobbins. Here we have a Pillion rear seat cowl, OEM Suzuki, and a wonderful steering stem lock nut from Gilles tooling. Looks very decent. On the front, you have a carbon fiber front fender from Montgomery Racing. It's very good quality. Looks very good. Nice pattern. The rear fender carbon fiber look. It's not real carbon fiber, it's just plastics from Bodystyle. And number plate is hidden for specific reasons. And here we have some titanium rear sprocket nuts from Bolt. The exhaust is Akrapovic carbon fiber titanium slip-on silencers. Without dB killers. Yeah, some people don't like them because are so huge. They are more into these little ones from Brock's Pentacarbon or M4, whatever. But yeah, for me, I think it's a very big bike, a very huge bike. So I like these 4 and 2. It fits the bike. But yeah, whatever floats your boat. What do we have? Oh, dang, can't see it. Here it is. RM decals, OEM Suzuki Hayabusa, and aluminium tire valve stamps, OEM Suzuki. don't know if you can see them. It's easier to check the tire pressure. The tire is the stock Bridgestone 190/50/17. Maybe next time 200. Let's see, or the S23. Some people say it's a very good tire, but I haven't heard that much opinions about the tire. Maybe I try it out next time. So, inside it's a DNA high performance air filter. Yeah. I really like that bike. It's a very comfortable and fast, very fast bike. You can easily rack up hundreds and hundreds of kilometers and you feel like well rested. You aren't tired. I think it's a wonderful bike. Very powerful. I love it. Yeah, very dirty. So I will clean it. So my lady looks again marvelous, and not like this. Yeah. What else? My other equipment, I'm recording with the GoPro 11 Black with the media mod. Under the seat cowl, it's a Purple Panda lavalier microphone kit. I'm connected here to my helmet if I want. I have a second microphone on my helmet. Daytona USB charger. If I want to go on a long journey, you need to charge your phone. I have a, it's called Akrapovic phone holder. And yeah, my personal equipment is a Scorpion EXO 1400 Evo carbon air helmet. Dani's Avro 4 leather suit 2-piece, Held Akira gloves, Bogotto GPX boots. The full list is in the comments if you want to check that out. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, I bought her last year in May with 2,100 kilometers. Now it has I think 9,000 somewhat kilometers. I ride everything I could if I had the time. Weekends. Sometimes if the weather is acceptable, I will ride to work with it. Overall, a very, very good bike. Yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. and peace out.